Are you looking for the best wired doorbell? In this video, we will break down the top 6 wired doorbells on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
This doorbell chime can be used with either one or two doors, wherein each of the doors gets earmarked with a distinctive chime. While the one-note melody is meant for the back door, the two-note melody is meant for the front door. You will not be confused about which door to attend to whenever you hear the chimes. The sound produced is loud and clear to alert you without causing disturbance for your neighbors. Plus, it is powered by a 16-volt AC transformer which has to be purchased separately. This one of the best wired doorbell chimes in the market is accompanied by mounting screws which can help out in its hassle-free installation. This is exactly what this doorbell chime guarantees with its streamlined design, which can beautify your house. Finally, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your satisfaction. The two-note chimes of this doorbell are specially designed to deliver a unique experience as you greet your house guests in style. It can serve as the perfect complement for your home, whether you seek contemporary sophistication, timeless simplicity, or classic style. You can program up to 2 doors with this door chime, which can put an end to the guessing game. It becomes possible to make out which door your visitor is waiting at with this elegant-looking doorbell. Its textured contoured body guarantees optimum durability, so that you can enjoy complete value for money spent. Also, the push button of this wired doorbell feels both soft and easy to use. You can thus ring the bell by pressing the button just once. The chime can be connected with a 16-volt transformer which can guarantee uninterrupted service without having to rely on batteries. This door chime is a simple doorbell that is useful in a lot of ways. It is small and durable and has an excellent quality that can last long. The manufacturers make sure that even though with its small size, it can still give you a loud and clear door chime sound. It comes in a clean white color, so that it will match any home decorations that you have. It is suitable for a wall mount, so that it will not fall after installing. It has a classic ding-dong sound that is loud enough for you to hear wherever you are in your home. Plus, it works with an 8V transformer or 9V battery. If it is correctly wired, you can hear the loud chime wherever you are. There are holes in the door chime, so it will be easier to mount it on the wall of your home. The holes of the door chime are too small for the screws. You will have to either heat the screws and melt on the hole to make a fuller opening or get smaller screws. Also, this door chime may not be suitable for large houses. It is a small door chime that is best for small space living. This white receiver perfectly matches any decor, making it a timeless addition to your front porch. The chime wires to a 16V transformer, so your service is never interrupted, and there's no need to rely on batteries. It includes individual tones for up to 2 doors, so you will always know where your visitor is. It features a 2-note chime for the front door, and a single-note chime for the back. This plug-in door chime measures 2.13 into 7.5 into 10.5 inches, and it is perfect for your home. After all, it's ready to blend easily into your environment with simple flat aspects of your choice of paint or wallpaper, to become the perfect complement to your home decor. This is an all-in-one package wired chime system for your home. The kit includes a 2-tune door chime, 2 lighted push buttons, and 1 transformer. For new construction or a complete replacement of your existing system, it has everything you need in a single package. The chime isn't super loud. This is a good thing as it has little kids in a relatively small house, so don't want the windows to rattle every time someone presses the doorbell. Also, this is a great value wired doorbell system, easy to install if you know how to run wiring throughout your house, or are replacing an existing system. And the doorbell itself looks good and lights up well. The chime makes sing the opening track from the Book of Mormon every time. This designer pewter tubes door chime is a simple and yet highly functional door chime. It has 2 sound notes for your front door and 1 note for the second door. And it will be easier for you to identify which doorbell is being used by your guests. It is one of the best wired door chime designs in the market. Also, it doesn't have the mechanical doorbell sound, but instead, it has the classical ding-dong sound, which makes your house feel more classy. These chimes are loud, and the volume is full, because of the metal tubes beside the doorbell. Additionally, the plastic feature of this doorbell ruins the metallic design and the quality of the sound. And since the volume is too loud, there is a possibility that the plastic part of the door chime will melt because it uses a lot of energy and it tends to heat up.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.